All right, so here we are in Wetumpka, Alabama, and we are about to take a look at Wind Creek Hospitality. They've just started up an IT service team, and we're about to actually meet some of them, and most of them are career changers. All right, we're ready to go. All right, set on.
I chose to change careers in IT because the position was available. We were starting a help desk and we did not previously have one. So when this opportunity came up, I said, this is my opportunity, this is my break into IT, so I took it.
When the Solution Center first started, we were all brand new. There was no help desk in the company, so we all learned from the beginning, had no clue what the heck we were doing. Some people had never even been in IT before.
I began my journey in IT just 4 months ago, but for 30 years I've been in administration and housekeeping, so this is definitely new to me, definitely an adventure for me, and I am ready to learn anything and everything that I can at this present time in my life.
When you are in a company and you're doing good and the company is looking after you, like, yeah, come on, keep doing it, and they keep, that's a very good thing. Not all the company can do that.
If I were talking to someone who wanted to get in IT, the advice I would give them is to just learn all you can, self-study. You don't have to be prompted to go get a certification. It never hurts to have a certification.
Never stop learning, always be curious. Don't break things, but don't be afraid to mess with something, learn how it works. Keep asking questions and you'll get places.
All right, well, that was our trip to the Wind Creek Casino and Hotel. And what you saw there, of course, were the IT professionals that had actually been career changers. I'm Ronnie Wong. We're getting on the road to ChannelCon.